How we can define analog alarm in HMI, in Siemens HMI Comfort. As you can see, we have a tab here that is analog. So I made a new analog alarm. I made a text for that and I assigned it to a class. And this is a trigger. This is a trigger tag that I can change it on my PLC. For example, now the flow is 20 and I can say, guys, let me show you. It should be compared with something, with a tag or with a constant. For example, to 30. It's when it goes to higher, this number, I have this alarm. Or I can use a tag. It's much simpler. And let's see how it's gonna be act. This is my WinCC. Let me clear the alarm buffer. As you can see, I have 0 alarm. As you can see, the flow is 20. So I want to say when it goes to, for example, 25, show me the alarm. As you can see, I have an alarm, input outgoing, and let me acknowledge that and clear. I don't have any alarm right now, okay? But as you can see, if I go to 26 and hit the enter, I have alarm. This is my alarms, but sorry guys, this is a discrete alarm. Okay, I have a problem here. Let me show you what's that. When I go to analog, I have some feature for that. Look at here. On properties, yeah, here. I say, if I have this situation, but I define a delay for that. After 3 seconds, you should show me the alarm. And the another one is this one, deadband. It means positive to and negative to deadband. You should consider that. So here I put a 25, but as you can see, here is around 26. So if I put it on, for example, 21, I will have the alarm, but after 3 seconds. Wait, yeah, analog. And when it's clear, after 3 seconds, and sorry guys, it should be, for example, 30 because we have a deadband. As you can see, incoming, outgoing, and it's need my acknowledgement, so acknowledgement is done. That is the analog alarms. If the video is useful, please like the button and share it to your friends.